Hello.
Hey,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. My name
Yeah,
is Jordan. What's your name?
Jordan?
Yeah,
My name is Jafar.
Jaffa. Nice to meet you, Jaffa.
Yeah, Jordan, you have a deep voice.
Oh, I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah, I like it.
Thank you.
Yeah, so how was your day?
Yeah, it's not too bad today. What about you? What did you do today?
Yeah, I don't know. I've done a lot of tasks. I
Hmm.
worked.
Hmm.
I worked the morning shift, so I worked in the morning. Then I came back. I took a nap. When I woke up, I packed up my bag
Hmm.
and went to the gym.
Ah, it's good.
Yeah, I exercised. Then yeah. What
Busy
about
day.
you? Yeah.
Me, I didn't do nothing compared to you. I woke up, spoke to some people on Cambly, ate some fruit,
Oh
and then
yeah.
spoke to some more people on Cambly. Not so
Yeah.
productive as you.
Yeah, okay. The good part is you add some fruits. That's good.
Where are you from, Jaffa?
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco. Ah, which
Yeah.
city?
Tangier, do you know about Tangier?
Tangier, yeah.
Have you been here?
No, I haven't been there.
Okay. Maybe you know
I,
some friends that
yeah,
traveled.
I know, I actually know a couple of Moroccan people and
Mm-hmm.
a few people who have traveled there as well, yeah.
Nice. And how was your experience? What did they tell you about it?
They tell me it's nice. I think my friend who was there, my friend is from Indonesia and her boyfriend is Moroccan. So she went to Morocco
Mm-hmm.
for 6 weeks, I think, and she had a nice time.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Except I
And
think
yeah,
she someone stole her phone while she was there, so she didn't like that.
really. Oh my God. I don't know to which city she traveled to.
No, I can't
Maybe,
remember actually. Yeah, I think because her boyfriend lives there. It's not a big city, but I think it's somewhere maybe 3 or 4 hours from
yeah,
Morocco.
sometimes you have to be careful when you are,
Yeah.
in the edges of cities, of big cities.
I think this is what I think she was in at one of the big markets. She was trying to buy food and she had her phone in her pocket and so it was too easy.
Yeah. Oh my God. It wasn't easy.
Yeah, easy target. It's
Easy
her own
target.
fault. Her own fault. Yeah.
Yeah. Even Moroccans, got their phones stolen. So,
Yeah.
yeah. And where are
It's
you
just,
now?
I'm in England now. The city is called Birmingham.
Birmingham. Yeah, I've talked to another tutor here on Cambly, and he
Ah, nice.
was also from Birmingham. I had some difficulties trying to pronounce it, but I
Oh,
think, yeah,
yeah.
Birmingham.
That's how yeah, because when you look at it written down, it's Birmingham, but we never
Yeah,
say the ham. We say
it,
Birmingham.
yeah, because it's shorter like that.
Yeah,
That
I think
it's gonna take more time.
yeah, we're the original Birmingham. But there's America. There's a city called Birmingham as well, and
Hmm.
they copied us, but they say Birmingham,
Yeah,
Birmingham, Alabama.
yeah, it's funny. Yeah, I don't know. The accents are different from when you hear a lot the US has a lot of different accents, and I don't know about England people because
In England, we have so many accents, even more, probably more accents than the US, even though it's
yeah,
so small in England. In Birmingham, I have a Birmingham accent, but in a different part of Birmingham, it sounds totally different.
yeah, and
There's
sometimes
one,
I cannot understand some British people
yeah,
because I
it's,
don't know, they keep the sounds for themselves.
yeah, it's true. Yeah, and you forget certain letters. If I say water, if I'm talking normally, I try
Yeah,
to pronounce my words better on Cambly, but if I'm talking about water normally, I say
yeah,
water.
Yeah. Say it as fast as possible. Yeah.
Yeah, water, and
Yeah.
there's no tea.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, but it's really good. I've seen some shows on Netflix.
Yeah,
They're English. I don't know, you know Peaky Blinders?
yeah. Peaky
Oh my
Blinders
god.
is Birmingham.
Yeah, oh my god. The
I've never
pronunciation,
watched
yeah.
it though.
The accent is like
Yeah,
each
that's
one
what I
of them has a
mean.
different accent.
But well, that's because they're all bad actors, maybe.
I,
But
I don't know, yeah.
for the accent anyway. But their accent is it's stronger than mine, but it's still Birmingham.
Yeah,
In Birmingham, we have
mm-hmm.
different accents. There's a one part called Dudley,
Thirdly.
and Dudley, that's how I say it, Dudley. But if I was from Dudley, I wouldn't call it Dudley. I would say Dudley.
Really like that?
Yeah,
It's like
exactly.
singing
Yeah.
opera.
But that's how they say, oh, no, Doug, how are you? I'm from Dudley.
Yeah, but you know the British accent sounds good. You know, it's I don't know, it's much more relaxing when you
Yeah,
hear it. It's not like the American accent. It has more
yeah.
energy, I think.
Sometimes the American accent it's too high
Too
pitched and
noisy.
too noisy, exactly.
Yeah,
And the same in Australia a bit as well.
yeah.
Certain Australian accents.
Sometimes they feel like the American accent is similar to the Australian accent.
It's interesting because I think American people think the English accent is similar to the Australian accent.
I don't know. Maybe it
That's
depends. I maybe the people that I've listened to that are Australians, they have like you know like an American accent or something like that. Yeah.
the Australian accents is strange because they always it sounds like every sentence is a question because they raise it at the end.
Yeah.
I was just going to go to the park and I was going to go and eat some
Yeah.
dinner.
Yeah, it's always has that high, you
Yeah, so
know.
it's a strange one. And they sound like they're complaining a lot as well.
Yeah, and now we have the Moroccan accent and we have the
Yeah,
Algerian accent. We have the
yeah,
yeah,
I've
so
heard
whenever
about,
each one tries to speak English, you hear different accents.
yeah,
I
I've heard
talked to
in,
some tourists and they said that they have a French accent, even though I
mm,
speak Arabic.
yeah, well, what I was going to say because people have told me before that Arabic in Morocco, it's like a very difficult accent
Yeah,
compared to Saudi Arabia.
yeah,
You
even
can't,
yeah, people in Saudi Arabia has you know the they don't understand our language, our dialects. Let's say
yeah, yeah,
it's difficult for them to understand. They can understand a little bit
yeah.
the known words, but when it comes if two Moroccans are speaking too fast, they won't
They won't understand.
understand
Yeah,
anything. Yeah.
yeah. So do you speak French as well, or only Arabic?
I speak French, but not as well as English.
Oh, really? So Arabic is your first language?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's say
I
Moroccan Darija because Arabic is like the standard language,
I see. Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Moroccan Darija is so much. There is so much difference between the two.
Hmm. The
Yeah,
only Arabic I know is Kaif Halik.
Kaif Halik. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Would you say that's in the Moroccan or it's totally
No,
different? No,
if I say that to someone, he's gonna look at me like that. He's
yeah.
gonna
Think you're
understand, but
Australian.
it's weird, you
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, he's like, why is he saying that?
Yeah, maybe in an Arabic class in high school, you know, كيف
Yeah.
حالك? Yeah, like we say كدير like that, you know.
And so is it in Tangiers, most people speak the
Oh,
Moroccan.
yeah, Moroccan, but we have different, you know, as we discussed in the beginning, we have different accents, let's say.
Yeah.
Like in here in the north of Morocco, we have different way of speaking than in the middle and the south of Morocco. And we have another language which is a Mazigh language. It's the original language here
I see. So it's
in North Africa.
I see. It's like a completely regional accent.
Yeah.
And people still speak it now?
Yeah, my mom can speak it.
Ah, really?
But
But
I
you
can't.
can't.
Yeah, she didn't taught me to speak it. Sometimes I blame her for that.
Yeah, the same. My father is Indian, and he never taught me to speak Indian either, so I blame him.
Yeah, because I don't know, because when we were young, we have, we we could, you know, learn anything. And if
Exactly.
they
Yeah,
just talk to us for like 3 hours a day or 2 hours a day in that language, we're gonna take it automatically. And we're
definitely.
gonna,
Yeah,
teach our children's, and the culture is gonna go
continue on. Yeah,
continue. But now it's like I don't know the language.
especially yeah.
I'm not gonna teach my children's. Then yeah, it's gonna stop here.
That's true, especially with the language you're talking about. It's not so common.
Yeah.
It's quite rare for people to speak it, probably.
Yeah. So I have my reasons to blame her. Tomorrow I'll blame her more.
You can go and see. No, you should have taught me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really good to know.
It,
As much languages as you can.
so yeah, I think so. And as well, like you say, when we're young, we can learn easily. And when you already know a few languages, it makes learning other languages
Yeah,
easier.
easier, yeah.
So if we would have been taught when we were young, we would be
Yeah.
polyglots.
So are you on Cambly all day long?
About 5 or 6 hours a day normally.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
good.
Mm-hmm. What did you said you went to work this morning? What do you do?
I work in the industrial field as a designer, let's say.
What do you design?
We design some press tools,
I see.
like stamping dies, we call them.
Yeah.
So some tools that forms metal sheet. I don't know, sheet metal.
Metal,
Sometimes
yeah.
I confuse like shit and heat. I have to.
Yeah. So you can make metal into a nice shape in more useful.
Yeah. So there is like a specific part that already, already, I don't know, the form of it is already like discussed, and we have to, to make that tool that can create it in reality by
Yeah, I
press.
see.
Then they
So
take a sheet metal and deform it till it's formed like we wanted it to be.
Yeah, so you know the end product, what you want it to look like, and then you have to actually create the press
Like
to make that shape.
a mold or something like that.
Exactly, yeah. A
Yeah,
mold,
so
yeah.
it's something similar to that.
So you just put the sheet metal over the mold and
Yeah, boom.
press, yeah.
Yeah, with a lot of force. Oh my god.
It's scary, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. When you see this kind of technology, you feel so weak, because
Yeah.
if you're just, oh my god.
It's scary because you put your hand.
Yeah, sometimes I think, we as humans are the weakest creatures on the earth.
The only strength is up here. We can
Yeah, oh my god. Even like
develop
animals are much stronger than us.
way stronger, definitely, yeah. But because we had the big brain, we can develop tools and we can
Yeah.
outsmart the much stronger animals. Of course, like a bear
Oh
is
my
so
god.
strong,
Yeah.
and
And so,
lots of
yeah,
African animals, the tigers and the lions and the elephants.
even like those cats in the woods, that are like living there. If
Yeah,
you came across them, they will look at you with their eyes, and you'll feel so scary.
yeah. Even and like the wild dogs, the wild dogs and hyenas and things like
Yeah.
that.
Oh my god, and you feel that when you go outside and try to camp somewhere, and
Yeah, you
yeah.
you hear a noise.
Oh my
You
god.
go,
Yeah, so I have to say goodbye. It was nice talking to you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you,
bye
Jafar.
bye.